You're a talented video editor, but there's just one problem: no clients, no income. Sound familiar? What if I told you that getting clients isn't about luck, it's about strategy? In this video, I'll show you how to find high-paying clients for your video editing services, even if you're just starting out. No fluff, just real, proven methods. Build a portfolio that sells before hunting for clients. Build a killer portfolio. You don't need dozens of projects, just 3 to 5 samples that highlight your editing skills, transitions, color grading, storytelling, and motion graphics. Don't have client work yet? Create your own. A YouTube intro, a cinematic vlog, a product promo, a wedding highlight reel. Show your creative potential visually and professionally. Choose your niche. Here's a secret: riches are in the niches. Don't try to do everything. Focus on what you love. Travel videos, reels, corporate promos, weddings, or YouTube content. Being a specialist makes you more valuable. Clients want editors who understand their style and goals. Where to find clients? Clients won't magically appear. You have to go where they already are. 1. Freelance platforms. Start with Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Build a strong profile. Add your portfolio. Write proposals focused on solving client problems. 2. Social media outreach. Message creators, influencers, or business owners. Don't just say, "I'm an editor." Say something like, "I saw your videos. I can help boost your engagement with better storytelling." Here's a sample. 3. LinkedIn networking. Build a pro profile. Connect with marketers and creators and post your work. Consistency builds trust and visibility. 4. Local businesses. Offer short promos to gyms, salons, cafes, or event planners. Show how video content can grow their business. 5. Cold emailing. Send short, value-packed emails. Attach your reel and explain how your editing can benefit their brand. Use content to attract clients. Want clients to come to you? Start posting content. Show your editing process before-after comparisons. Quick tips or mini tutorial. When people see your skills, they start to trust you, and that trust turns into paid work. Bonus tips to stand out. Communicate professionally, stay clear and reliable. Offer value first. A free sample can lead to a big project. Ask for testimonials. Social proof boosts your credibility. Keep learning. Upgrade your skills with tools like After Effects and motion graphics. Final words: finding clients isn't luck, it's a method. Build a solid portfolio. Pick your niche. Use the right platforms and promote your skills consistently. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want ready-to-use client messages or proposal templates. I'll share them in the next video. See you soon. Until then, keep hustling.